Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Mrs. Freeman's music classroom. Take a look at what I have in front of me here. Today we are going to be unboxing something really special. Are you guys ready? If you look on the front here, this says Rock Jam. Do you think it's something musical? It absolutely is. Let's unwrap it. Ready? When we open it up, we see we have a couple of empty boxes in here. What in the world could this be? Let's see. Why, it's a stool. How fantastic is that? What do you think I would need a stool for? Let's keep unboxing and find out what else is in this huge box. Here we have a cord that goes to some, what is this? Headphones. And they fit. We have a stool and we have headphones. The headphones plug into something. What do we think it is? Let's keep looking. Here we have a great little bag. It has instructions in it. I'm not going to open the instructions yet because I want to see if you can guess what it is. Another cord and a plug. We have a plug, we have headphones, and we have a stool and an instruction manual. Let's save that instruction manual. What is this? I'm not sure. Let's open up and see. Ooh, I know exactly what this is. It looks like just another plain cord, but we've got something here. Here's a clue. This goes on the ground and you step on it. Something to step on, a plug, headphones, and a stool. There's one more big thing in here. Let's see if we can figure out what is inside this. Another box. I'm going to lay it down to keep it nice and safe. And it'll be an even bigger surprise once I pull this out. Let's see. What is it that I have here, ladies and gentlemen? Why, it's a brand new keyboard. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at all those keys on there. Look at all the buttons on the top. These different buttons make a lot of different sounds. So if you are ever thinking about getting a beginner keyboard, this particular keyboard was bought on Amazon and sent here to the school so that I can play it and share music with you, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the speakers on either side. I cannot wait to try this out. All right, there was one more thing that's in the box. We have this right here, which is the music stand, and it clicks right there on the top. Pretty great, that'll hold all the sheet music. All right, one more thing. Rock jam. I have a bit of a mess going on around me. Oh my goodness. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the keyboard stand. So we have lots of parts that I will be putting together. And once all the parts are all assembled and put together, I will bring it back to Mrs. Freeman's music classroom, and I will show you how it all goes together. Thank you so much for joining me today. Now I have to clean up my ginormous mess, but the next time you see me, I'll be getting to do a warm-up with you, boys and girls, on my brand new keyboard. So here it is. It was good to see you again. Take care. I'll see you again soon.